Hey guys, so welcome back to our channel. If you're new, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, and if you do like this video, go ahead and click that like button and comment below some of your favorite apps. So today I'm going to be talking about what's on my iPhone 8 Plus. I recently got it like 2 weeks ago. So you know, when you get a new phone, you're like, let me see what new apps I can download with all this new space. So I'm going to show you guys some older apps that I have and newer apps that I decided to get and that I really do find useful. So let's get into the video. Here I have me and my dad and my mom on graduation day, and I love this picture because my mom looks all emotional, like, oh, my baby graduated, and my dad is like, oh, I'm so proud of her, you know, loving her accomplishments. It was such a great day, you know. Okay, so here, I don't know why it's finance title, that is wrong, but anyway, so I have my Wells Fargo app, and then this is my Gmail app, and this is just like, as you can see, social, Pinterest, Groupon, like stuff that's like coupons and stuff that I'm not gonna open. And then here I have my Bible app. I love to see the verse of the day. And I also have this motivational quotes app. So basically it pops up with random quotes throughout the day that inspire me to keep going, to keep pushing. Like, I love it. For example, it says, if you can't change circumstances, change your attitude. Funny thing is, when you do, you'll find that the circumstances often change. So it's cute quotes like that that I'm like, oh, you're right. Alright, and this is just extra. So I have the calculator, voice memos, health, and then the Apple Watch, which when I wear my Apple Watch, it comes in handy. And then this is the period tracker. So you need to know when it's coming. You need to know when it's going. You know, it's pretty useful. So you should download it, P Tracker Lite. And it's free. Nothing better than free. Alright. So then here is my photography app. So I have my camera, of course, and then Visco, and that's basically where you can look into other people's feeds of pictures or edit your own. So I'm just now getting into that one, and I love Snapseed. So Snapseed is basically where you can just, you know, edit it in any type of way. So like, I love it because there's so many different features of it. Like, look at all this. This is crazy. Like, if you're a photographer, you'll be like, oh my gosh, this is wonderful. Yep, so that's Snapseed. And then I have my photos, of course, and my best friend just got married, guys, so it was just, so that's what it's filled with right now. And then I have and because I don't have much on my Instagram feed, like, but eventually I'm gonna use it to organize the way I want my Instagram to look. And also, I think you can organize it to tell you, or like either notify you when you should upload or actually upload. I'm not sure, but from the reviews, it's very useful for if you're trying to be into photography. And then here I just have iTunes U, activity, mail, blase, blase. Then I have Waze, or Waze, whatever you want to call it. I don't really like to use it just because, like, sometimes it takes me all around the world. So I'm like, I'm going to just stick with iPhone Maps. iPhone Maps, boom, bing, boom. And then here is my social media folder. So I love Pinterest. I find so many ideas on Pinterest. And basically, like, I use it for mainly photography or quotes, because I just love quotes. Or let me show you guys like what I have. Like, I have poses, photography things to do, workout plans, morning inspiration, godly things, tattoos, which I need to go back and look, DIY hacks, healthy eating, dog stuff. So as you can see, I just have a whole bunch of different things that I pin and that I should use. So then I have, you know, home. And then I also have this YouTube Studio app. So this is useful if you're a YouTuber and you don't really want to go to the app, and it's just like, here, boom, here's your videos, here's your comments, here's your analytics. And you know, it just kind of shows you what's going on, your watch time, your subscribers, like all of that. So I just find it is more convenient than going to the actual YouTube app. Like, I use it to watch YouTube, but not to look at all my information, like what we got going on as Marina Nicole XO. And then I have Hangouts and GroupMe. I use GroupMe to communicate with my family and when I was in school for group projects, of course. And then I also have this podcast. Like, I love podcasts. My man's put me on podcast. So I love Joyce Myers. I try to listen to Joyce Myers or Pastor Paul every day. So Pastor Paul, his podcast is called Destined for Victory. And if you want some inspirational spiritual things to listen to, you should definitely listen to him. And then I listen to the Breakfast Club every blue moon. And I love, which I need to catch up, is The Brilliant Idiots. Like, as you can see, it says not even interested anymore, which I am, but I just been listening to spiritual more so. But like, they are hilarious. Like, they talk about real life stuff going on in the world, but they make it comical, but then they also keep it serious. Like, you really should listen to them and see like what I'm trying to say. But they're hilarious. Like, they talk about politics, they talk about life, love, relationship, anything that you can think about. And my man's put me onto that one. You should check it out. If you want to laugh, go listen to Brilliant Idiots. Alright, and then I have Therapy for Black Girls, Oprah's Super Soul, and then Black Girls Podcast. So I love this one because they're very informative on marketing, your business, how to get your business started, like where to start, where to get clients. So I feel like they have so much knowledge, and I love that they share it with everybody. Like, it's just wonderful. And those are pretty much the podcasts that I listen to as of right now. This is just Netflix and the Bitmoji. I also, as I said, use Google Maps, weather, and my notes, of course. This is the stuff that comes with the iPhone, so not necessarily important. Then I use this app called Yumly. So Yumly is like where you can find different ingredients to cook. And then I love how you can modify it. So if you're a vegan and you don't want meat, you can say, okay, just for you, make sure that you include recipes that don't have meat in them, or include recipes that, like, desserts that don't have chocolate in them. So I really need to start using it, but I've been had it on here for a while. I just need to really be like, time to start whipping it up in the kitchen. And then I also have Outlook. So I love Outlook because I have 3 different emails going on in here. Not that you can't have that with Gmail, but I just like the format of it and how it looks. So basically, I have my student email address from before. Then I have my business email address. So like if I'm doing applications for jobs, and then I have my photography email address. And then I also have the Follow Free app. So, you know, you just get tired of being like, why am I following 40 more people than those who follow me? You know, you just be like, what's going on? Like, what do I need to change? You know, it's not even to be petty, you know. So I got that Follow Free app. Then I have Duolingo, and this is where I try to like listen to Spanish. And then they have different like exercises for you to do so you can learn Spanish. I really got it because I was in Spanish previously, my last semester of college. Then I have the Walmart app. And I don't really use that at all, but to be honest. Then I have YouTube, of course. Like, we gotta love YouTube. I'm trying to, you know, as you can see, had to see how to make this video. And then I have this quotes app. So basically I would pick like a background and then pick a color and put like text on it to maybe advertise our video on Instagram to make it look cute and pretty. I have InstaFit, which is supposed to make your picture not have to be cropped on there. I don't know, I don't really like it. Then I have daily yoga. I haven't started that at all. I recently downloaded it and I was like, I need to start doing yoga, you know. Then I have this calendars app, and I love this app because you can look at it by a list of things to do, a day or the week or even the month. So here I have things that I have going on. For example, like my best friend's wedding was on Monday, and then I also have like I'm taking pictures of my aunt this weekend. So, and then like you can click it and it shows you like this is the time that I work, that I actually work today. And then I just like that it's so organized of this app, and to help keep your life together, you know. And this capture thing is how I'm actually recording this video. And then the good old Instagram. So if you're watching this video, go ahead and follow us at MarieNicoleXO. This is where we advertise our videos and what we're going to be uploading and when we're going to be uploading, which we have to get better at marketing. We will. Then I also have my own Instagram that I recently started, and it's J Nicole Photos. So go ahead and go to that and follow that Instagram as well, my Instagram. Oh, and then follow hers at Embrace Marie, which you'll see at the end of this video. Alright, so that pretty much sums up this video. I have, you know, the phone calls and my favorites. Got my mom, got my dad, got Marie, or Tia, whatever you want to call her, Brianna, and my mans. Alright, and then, you know, got the Safari, and then I got the messages, of course, and we were just texting. Well, she's asleep now, but we were texting. And so if you guys have any iPhone apps that you suggest or that you use, useful apps, then please comment them below, because I'm really interested to know. Like, I have all this space and I'm like ready to download. Like, let's go. Like, yes, you know. Alright, thank you so much for watching this video. Go ahead and click that like button. If you haven't already, click that subscribe button. See you guys in our next video.